So one question was about condition to start eating a fruit, right? Do we have to peel it, or it's proper to say while it's whole fruit, right? It would be more respectful to say the blessing on the whole fruit. No. The answer is that you have to prepare as much as you need to take your time, prepare so you would have as less interruption between blessing and the action as possible. So as our sages say, the best, the longest interruption that you can do is actually 2 seconds, right? 1 to 2 seconds. So you say the blessing and you start eating. That's the proper. So if you want to eat like a piece of steak, so of course you cut piece of steak, right? You cut, you put it on your fork, you're ready to eat. You say the blessing and you eat. You say you want to eat a piece of potato, you prepare this piece of potato, you're ready to eat, you say blessing, you put it in your mouth. That's the proper way. So and same with fruit, and some people they make this mistake. I don't know why, like with bananas. So bananas is not ready to eat. You have to peel the banana, and then so you peel the banana, you're ready to eat, and then you say blessing. That's the proper way. Okay. So the same with fruit. You want to eat. You want to peel your. Of course, orange. You need time to peel orange, right? You need to time. Some people want to they peel the apples, so peel your apple. There is no problem. Whenever you're ready, say the blessing.